cook with Hodině H. Volunteers.
Hello and welcome to the first video of Jesco cooking with his mom. And today we will cook something typical German. So yeah, I will show you first of all all the ingredients. So here we have some asparagus. It's like really good asparagus, like it's really fresh. And further we will cook some potatoes with it. And also some sauce hollandaise. And my mom said that you can also make it by your own. Perhaps it's a little bit better, but today, due to some time reasons, we don't have enough time to cook it and to make it. So that's why we will use this, I don't know, already made sauce hollandaise. And then we have some black forest ham, or Schwarzwälder Schinken, yeah, in German. So it's like from the southern region of Germany. But you can also use any other ham, it really does not matter. It's just like this ham is really typical for it. And last but not least, we need one pot with water. And in the water you just simply put some salt, like really just a bit, and also some sugar, and that's it. That's all you need for asparagus with potatoes. And so we will be back with the first step, how to cook it. And yeah, stay tuned. So in our first step, we basically just need to wash all the potatoes, and that's it. So now we are cooking the potatoes for 30 minutes, and while they are cooking, we are cutting off the ends of the asparagus, and yeah, like this. And as you can see, we have a lot of them, so I guess we will need some time to do so. So now we have already cooked the potatoes for 10 minutes, and now we are putting the asparagus into the water to cook it. And while we're doing this, we are also preparing the sauce hollandaise in another pot, and we will cook it as well. And yeah. So now we are cooking the sauce hollandaise as well, and we need to stir it all the time because otherwise we will burn it. And yeah, it's a little bit annoying, but still it's really delicious. As we can see, now the water is boiling, and after this the asparagus just needs 10 more minutes and then it's ready. So now we are taking the potatoes out of the water. Yeah, that looks great. Some German potatoes, really delicious. Yeah, quite tasty. And they look great. Really nice shape. And now we need to peel them, aren't we? Yes. Now, as you can see, we simply take them and peel them, because the skin is not so great. So last but not least, we are taking out the asparagus and just put them on a plate. And yeah, as you can see, we also have already those hollandaise in a bowl. And I guess yeah, the potatoes are over here. So now we are ready to eat.